So guys, we're gonna start marinating our chicken. I got my super light oil soy sauce. I'm gonna add into the chicken a little bit. This is oyster sauce. I will just add according. For me, I don't measure normally. I'll just use my eye and see if it is enough. I'll keep on adding until I feel like it's enough. So now this is sweet soy sauce, yeah, and I'm gonna add in a little bit of it as well for the sweetness, guys. Oopsie. There's a little bit of spill, so I'll add in our pink salt as well. For the taste, this is curry, mild curry powder, sweet paprika, 1 spoon, chicken seasoning, coriander powder, dry garlic, so my hand is all washed. I'm gonna dig in my hand and massage all the spices into the chicken. So look at that. So I'll cover it and let it marinate for 30 minutes. I'm gonna fry a little bit of this chicken here, and then we'll transfer it in the onion after a bit. So you see that I've just toasted it a little bit because I want the spice, the flavor of the spices to go into the chicken before I add it into the onion. The flavor of the spices is so amazing and delicious, guys. So that's enough. I got cashew stick here, a cinnamon stick. I'll season it with a little bit of salt, that's enough because we don't need too much salt, and then followed by our curry. We want to toast the curry a little bit, and so that the flavor of the curry will be so yummy, guys. And now I'll get the chicken and put it in there. Look at that. It's gonna be so yummy, guys. See that? So I'm gonna season with our seasoning cube. I'll put in, guys, you see that? See the chicken? Yeah, So I'm gonna add in a little bit of water and stir. And let it steam in a low heat for 5 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and add in the rice. And in the same pan we use for frying the chicken. So this is garlic. I'll toast it a little bit, and this is our prawns, guys. I'll add it in there. And then squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice. Yeah, that's it. And stir. Yeah. We're using jasmine rice. It's already been washed. It's very clean. Yeah. I'll add it in there. I've already washed it. That water is enough. And then I'm gonna cover it and let it steam in a low heat, like that. This is the prawns. I'll add in our chickpeas and corn. It will all go in the rice after when it's fried here a little bit, cooked. I'm adding this is bell pepper, mixture of bell pepper.
Guys, did you know that being a new content creator can be so overwhelming sometimes? So guys, as you can see, I'm here explaining how the cooking is going, but I had no idea that my microphone was off. So it went off while I was doing the cooking. So please, if you're a new content creator, please keep an eye on your microphone and charge your microphone before you start doing your recording, guys, to avoid the same mistake I did. So guys, as you can see, the rice is all done. So I also added in the prawns. Guys, if you have ever experienced the same thing that I did, here you are trying to work so hard recording the video and without knowing that the microphone was off. So it's so frustrating as a new content creator. If you have ever experienced this, please comment down below and let me know, guys. And if you are a new content creator, please always check your microphone while you were recording your video to avoid the same mistake that I did, and also make sure your microphone is fully charged. So at this point, we're gonna cover our rice and let it steam in a low heat for 5 minutes before we start serving it, and then after that we'll go and serve it when it is steamed in a low heat, guys. So what do you think about this dish? Please comment down below and let me know how you prepare your one pot meal. So here my hand is already washed. If you want to enjoy this dish, please use your hand, not fork, so you'll enjoy it much better. So yeah, so our rice came out so perfect and the chicken was tender and delicious, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment with your friend and family. Yeah, I'll see you into my next video. Bye bye.